We work with a global beer brand at a number of different sites. The customer came to us with two sections of steelwork. Both of them had holes punched through them. In the factory setting, there'd been a loud noise, pipework had ruptured, and product all over the floor. This was a matter of urgency, could potentially pose risk to human life, which is why they turned to us. The first thing that we did is we actually rinsed off the steel to see what other, if anything, chemical agents were present. It didn't find anything significant, and that's when we started to look a little deeper at the incompatibility of the two steels. The pipework itself was made out of stainless steel, but affixed to that was a layer of mild steel. Through the virtue of having those two incompatible materials touching, it was effectively creating a battery. Beer is mostly water, but it's also got other things in it. Ethanol, it's got elements from the mash, all the things that make beer taste like beer. When you apply charge for extended periods to that, what can happen is it can start to liberate hydrogen. In our recreation, what we've done is replace that steel on steel with an actual battery itself. That battery was utilising the beer as an electrolyte, generating hydrogen. As the brewing process continued and the hydrogen continued to be liberated through a combination of heat, friction and general movement, this is a pressurised piece of pipework. Eventually this led to the bang. Had the problem gone unchecked for a more extended period, it ultimately could have led to more and more pipeworks getting degraded, which at the very least would have led to massive product losses, which in my view is a waste of good beer.